In this video, I want to introduce you to the three primary tabs accessible within GrabCAD Print. First, upon opening GrabCAD Print, you'll be brought to the default Print tab. This is where you'll connect to your printers, import part files, select print job settings, and send your prepared jobs to your machines. The following video in the series will go into more details about using this section of GrabCAD Print. Second is the Schedule tab. This tab allows you to view all of your connected printers and their print queues. If we click on one of our connected printers here, I can see information regarding its current job, what materials it has loaded and their quantities, and some additional details about the machine. Same goes for individual job files. If I click on this one here, I can see a preview of the printed job, its current status and when it's expected to be completed, some details, who submitted it, what's the expected material usage, and a visualization of quantity of materials available prior to the start of the job and what we expect to have in the printer at the end of the job. Last up is the History tab. I've already selected one of my network connected printers and now can view all the jobs that we've run on this machine since it was first connected to GrabCAD Print. If I expand on this job here, you can see information like job name, who submitted it, when it was run, what materials were used and their quantities, as well as what part files were on the tray and how many of each file. All of this data can be filtered by operator name or time period. This information can also be exported into one of these file formats and brought into a program like Excel.